A legacy donor. So we're shifting to a very different mindset now. This isn't somebody who isn't just thinking about impact this year. They're, as depressing as it may sound, they're considering legacy. They're thinking about what they are going to leave behind.
Yeah, absolutely. I think for legacy donors, it's not just about the cause at hand, really. It's like you said, it's about that, I guess, alignment of values. They want to feel that your organization will carry their beliefs forward, even when they're no longer around to hear or see it.
Yeah. And this is where your automation becomes, I don't want to say trickier, but certainly you have to keep an eye of it. Your tone and your timing is what really matters here. With the legacy donor, automation absolutely can be done, but it has to feel personal. This isn't the donor you hammer with weekly asks or aggressive
Agreed.
campaigns. It's a light touch, meaningful contact. So the kind of stuff you're talking here is storytelling, long-term vision, trust.
Yeah, no, I absolutely agree. I think we focus a lot on automation because it ultimately makes the marketers' lives easier. But we talk about it a lot less, about frequency, but more about relevance. So using that quality data that you've got of that existing donor and using that to the communication. And we might start talking about automating periodic updates about the organization's strategic goals, major milestones, or stories of long-term change. That's relevant to these types of donors. And crucially, I suppose, staying in touch during internal transitions or crises. I think legacy donors need to feel that the organization is a stable one and future-proof, because that's part of their will ultimately, right?
Absolutely. We've all read about the non-profits that have, for one reason or another, ended up in the news for the wrong reason. And we all know how much money comes from legacy donors, how important they are. But you need to keep an eye on this cohort if anything does untoward happen. It's also worth splitting it out. If you're looking at your CRM, there is no point starting a legacy donation for people in their 20s. So actually segmentation becomes a bit of a morbid guessing game, but also one that, maybe take a note from Saga's book, which I'm really depressed about, that I've just started now to receive their sort of like marketing online. I'm not happy about that. Shut up, Jamie. But if somebody is, stop laughing right now. If somebody is considering a gift in their will to you, the most important thing here is they're considering whether you'll still be around to deliver on your mission for them after they're gone. So what you need to reinforce with every message is you can trust us with your legacy of the donor.